Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a review of Moodfit, a mental health and wellness app. You see, Moodfit takes a more data-driven approach to mental health by providing resources for action-based support strategies. Moodfit has customizable tools that help users understand what is holding them back, what they need to break out of obstacles, and help them meet specific goals and improve their lives in various ways. So if you use this app, you'll be able to understand what is holding you back. You'll be able to understand what you need to break out of obstacles, be able to meet specific goals, and also improve your life in various ways. When we look at the pricing, we have the free Moodfit plan that comes with pared down offerings like gratitude and mood journaling, which is great to get started on your mental health journey. The premium plan comes at $29.99, is discounted from $39.99 for a year, and $39.99, which can also be discounted from $79.98 for 2 years. So this plan includes more comprehensive nervous system tools, breath work resources, insights based on mood tracking, thought records, and more. When you look at the features, the mood journal helps users maintain an ongoing record of their moods, help them look back on their mood history, and receive insights based on the entries. They also have goal-based insights with data to help users recognize patterns that are keeping them stuck, procrastinating, or in counterproductive flight, freeze, or fun states. These are cognitive behavioral therapy, that is CBT-based tools too. That is, there are cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT-based tools too, like thought records to identify distorted thinking patterns and gratitude journals for positive mental rewiring. The Moodlift app works as a companion for therapy, with many mental health professionals using it to set tasks and homeworks for clients. Moodfit has dedicated organizational offerings with premium access for all members and population-level analytics for employees. Now, when it comes to the reviews, Moodfit has 4.1 stars on Google Play, with users appreciating the trackers and thought record tools. It is concise, user-friendly, and helpful, as one reviewer said. While there's great customer support available, some find the app kind of tough to navigate intuitively. Hope you found this video helpful.